Truls, thanks for sitting down with me today. I appreciate your time.
Nice to be here.
Truls, when we last talked in 2013, we were just talking about the acquisition of Pixseed. You talked about it being a key strategic decision to be made. Can you tell us a little bit about where we're at in that process and why that is so important to DLF?
Well, I think as it's known, DLF wants to grow in the temperate markets for the forage and turf grasses throughout the world. And Pixseed was and is a first-class, a very fine seed company. So since we also would like to grow in North America, it was really a target for us to go after.
Right. And why was Pixseed chosen? What's the logical, the most important piece of that?
As I said, it is a very fine seed company with a fantastic track record. It's a profitable operation. It's first-class seed people. And next to that, there's good synergy on the forage side insofar as the DLF genetics will travel quite well to North America on the forage side. So I think we will offer to our Pixseed customers there a stronger portfolio of the forage grasses. And at the same time, the Pixseed turf grass genetics can be exploited quite well through the DLF sales network on a global scale. So
I actually have to read this because it's such a long list now. DLF now operates its subsidiaries in Denmark, US, UK, Germany, Holland, France, Czech Republic, and New Zealand. Sales over $350 million a year, holding worldwide share of 20% in the grass and coolseed clover business. What's something new and exciting? When you're that big, what's something new and exciting that's going on with your company, and how does it help you even grow more?
A couple of small additions. I would like to mention we are actually the market leader in the Chinese market. We have got our setup here as well. We are in Russia and have been there for some years. And Canada also would belong to the list. So when you add it up, after the Pixseed acquisition, I think our revenue this year will be in the neighborhood of $600 million. Wow. So I think we are building quite a strong and unique forage and turf company around the world. And then you say, where do we go from here?
Right.
Yeah. I think obviously we are still interested to complete the puzzle, our portfolio of companies in areas where we are not so well covered. On top of that, I think we have got good opportunities to add value to our business through technology. We are now launching products in the Southern Hemisphere with animal-friendly endophytes, well, first of all in New Zealand, but actually also in the US at the moment. We are working since a number of years on genome-wide selection in grasses. We were the first mover there, and we'll also be the first one to hit the market. We are really working hard on exploiting the nutrition efficiency in our product. So I think we will also be able to grow our business based on our research and the results of that.
Truls, you're the CEO of a large, thriving seed company. What issues does that present for you personally, and what advice would you have for someone who finds themselves in the position of running a seed company?
I don't think I can give much advice. I think every manager does it his or her way.
Right.
But obviously, as you grow and get bigger, it's a challenge to be visible as much as you want to be. At the same time, I think you have to make some choices, and one of the difficult choices is that you may have to give up some of the things you are best at and delegate that to other people.
Right.
So that's definitely a difficult decision. On the other hand, you normally find out that it works, maybe even better than before you delegate it. So I think that's something that has to be done. But then it's also important to say that it's a fantastic job. It's a fantastic industry. I think it's an industry that's not getting out of fashion. So to be in this industry, I think is really nice.
Great. Like all markets, the forage and turf grass business is subjected to supply and demand. Where do you see, we're halfway through the year now, where do you see us heading? Where are prices going? What do you see coming down the pipe?
Actually, as a company, we are close to finalizing our year because we close our books end of June, and we can see that we will close another quite successful year this year. Looking ahead, we're quite confident looking into the future. Things look quite stable. We see that markets more and more accept the premium varieties that are being offered there. China is a good example. We are selling more and more of the good stuff out here with new traits, with new values that the customers are appreciating. So I think looking ahead, we are quite confident.
Perfect. Truls, there's lots of issues being discussed here in Beijing. What do you see as the #1 topic of the folks that are attending the Congress here this year?
I think the #1 topic is that we are really in a new market for a lot of our business, and to get acquainted with that, I think is really a big item for everybody.
Indeed. Thanks very much for taking the time to sit down with me, Truls. I appreciate it.
Good to see you again.